This is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to share a few quick advices on how to prevent and fix overheating issues on this smartphone. Let me begin this video by sharing a few quick measures you can take in order to avoid overheating, since it is way better to avoid a problem or prevent a problem than to fix it once the problem or the issue has already occurred. So first advice, do not fast charge your phone, since the majority of cases the main cause for overheating lays in the battery or has its root in the battery. Restrict yourself from fast charging the device. Second advice is that you do not expose your phone to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time. Then, if the overheating already occurred and you would like to help your phone to cool itself down, you can absolutely do that by launching the Phone Master app. That's the built-in tool that comes alongside your system, so you will not need to download or install any additional third-party apps or something. Here, go into the phone cooler. Give me a sec here, I've accidentally entered the power saving. So go into the phone cooler and allow this tool to do its magic and cool your smartphone down a little bit. On top of that, in order to direct the cooling even further and in order to help your phone even more efficiently, you can launch settings, go into battery lab or battery lab category and switch on the power saving. So go into advanced settings, battery saver, and here switch it on. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.